Hello guys, welcome back. Today I bring you the unboxing of a Peephole Wi-Fi camera from Ezviz. This is the DP2C. This is a full HD camera and we're going to be unboxing and reviewing it. This camera comes with a display and the camera unit itself. They're two separate parts. So what are the main features in this? Let's see what we have here out of the box. Gonna put a bit closer. Full HD image, 1080p, 4.3-inch display, and high fidelity talk. So you can do a two-way talk like the security cameras. On this side, a bit more information. Wide point of view, night vision to 5 meters or 16 feet. This has a built-in battery because the display is actually feeding the camera, so you don't need to plug the camera or the display to a socket. View from anywhere, so from the smartphone app. 2.4 Wi-Fi. I've seen some modules, some brand new models that bring 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi also. Pure motion detection is not just based on image analysis. Built-in doorbell and H.265. It's a better compression and it can support an SD card, internal SD card up to 256 gigs. What else do we have here? No, nothing else. So we're just gonna open this up and see what's inside. Okay, for starters, we have the display. Just give a quick look. So yeah, it probably has a mounting that will connect here. I can see this is actually a socket with connections. I assume this will be the connection for the camera itself, and this would be probably the release button. So this will stick to the back of your door, and on the other side you're gonna have the camera. Okay, a quick installation guide. Now we have the camera itself. Oops, I think, yeah, here it is. The small socket. Yeah, this connects to this part. 3M sticker, very good. 3M is actually one of the best stickers around. And the camera itself, as you can see, it's not as small as a peephole. I'm going to remove this. So what we have, we have a button. Yeah, it is a button. This is doorbell, this is the camera, and this is probably one of these is IR and the other is the pure motion detection. And here on the back just have the sticker. So this will go through the wall on the peephole and connect to the display. See if we have anything else. There's something here. Let me check. I think it's probably the mount and the USB. Yeah. This is the mount. Let me see. Yeah, exactly. This is the mount for this. Yeah, there we are. This is the mount for the screen. And the USB cable to charge the LCD. So there's a mini USB port here. There's the slot, and this, I don't know, there's a button here. Yeah, just a small button, maybe to select features or configure. Oh, I just turned it on. Nice. Please insert master station into the base. Okay. It's probably the power button. So out of the box, pretty straightforward. And oh, there's some screws here I didn't show you. And these screws, I was just checking how will this connect to to the screen, and I noticed that the screen holder here, this piece, has a hole. So I believe, yeah, this is the way you have to connect it. So you pass this through the hole and connect it over here. So it will end up, yeah, exactly like this. So I'm gonna, don't want to push it too hard. Okay, that's it. Okay, and it's on. Turn itself on. Okay. If for some reason you tried to connect the device with your smartphone and it's not working and it's not showing you anymore the QR code, just figure it out. You just do a long press and wait. I'm sure you want to restore the device factory settings. If you do not tap on the home to confirm, it will back to live. Okay. So long press, you see the warning, and you do it again. And it's going to be resetting to default factory settings. And here we go, English. Remember to confirm the language. It's on the power button. It's on this side. Entering configuration mode. And here we are. I had to place the device closer to my Wi-Fi because probably the signal was not very good. And then this came out. To connect to the device, it will use a Wi-Fi network, temporary Wi-Fi network. I go connect. So my smartphone should be connecting to a temporary Wi-Fi that's going to be available on the device. I don't have the device here. I have it closer to my router. And let's see what we're doing. Okay. We are connected. Well, let's go to the configurations. Let's go to the good part. Way of work, high performance, economical, super economical. Okay, that's probably for batteries and things like that. Notifications, sound notification. Oh, it's disabled by default. Get message from the device. Push message every 1 minute through the app. All the time. Answer the phone call. Offline notifications. What is this? I don't know what this is, but looks interesting. Image. This is recommended. Sensitivity between, that's for the IR. Night day. So it will always be night day. Automatic or always night. So always have IR. IR disable only in night or automatic. It will switch between modes. Configuration of the screen. When a person is detected, the screen will turn on. So if the camera sees a person, if it detects a person, the LCD will turn on, so you know someone is on the other side of the door. Yeah, 10 seconds to disable the screen. The brightness, we don't need it very strong. This is the brightness of the screen itself. The app, so the app also controls the screen because you don't have any buttons to control it, which is quite nice. This is the light, IR, indicator of doorbell, and IR. Battery 59%. Cloud Play, list of recordings, security, configurations, encrypt the video. Oh no, I don't want to change that. List of recording configuration. This is the information of the device. I see an update here. It's always good to do firmware updates. Okay, we're going to do an update on the device. I found out something else, that these screws, already removed one, these screws are actually to place here on the holder. And you ask, where are they going to be screwed? They're going to be screwed on the back of the camera. I'm going to show you. There's two small holes, which I didn't mention because I didn't see them. You can see here, two small holes. That's where those screws are gonna be attached to. So depending on the thickness of your door, you can use these three sizes. So this will be attached to the camera through these screws. So there's no need to put double-sided tape on this. You can do it if you want to, but it's your choice. Because the screws, remove this one here again, they will go in and will, as you slide, it will hold. By the way, this is metal here. Sorry, this is plastic, but this bit here inside this barrel is actually metal. So you have your unit installed, and after I don't know how much time, you're gonna have to recharge it. The manufacturer says remove the unit. That will also include removing the camera plug from behind, which I don't like because it's kind of fragile, the connector. It doesn't mean it can't work, but I wouldn't do it. So my solution is just get a power bank, put it on top of this, and plug it to the main screen. That's where the battery is located, and leave it there. I put a little bit of tape here so the power bank doesn't fall off, because it can hold here, but if someone opens or closes the door, it will fall off and it will be hanging on the connector, so we don't want that. So this is a simple solution to not have to remove your device from the door. Otherwise, you have to remove this, go to a socket, and recharge it. Or you could put a long cable here, but if someone comes home and opens the door, just ruin the cable and maybe ruin the connector of the unit or anything, something like that. And we wouldn't want that. So this is the unit from the outside. When it detects movement, the bell will lid. See, just as I moved, and this is how it sounds. My phone is already ringing. Once again, thank you very much for watching.